Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride our 1967 Chevy El Camino. Of course folks, we always love our cars here at Skyway Classics, being that it's springtime, the pollen's out, the sun is out, and more importantly, it's time for you to get yourself a nice ride. This little El Camino we have here featuring a white exterior. As you do see, it does have that nice little bed in the back, sort of that cool car but truck combination, having a cover over the top too to avoid condensation. Also having the rally style wheels with the old school hubcaps, BF Goodrich white layer tires, and of course that nice little stance. I would like to say it sits pretty evenly. As you do know, 67 was the last year before the coupes originally for the Chevelles, but of course for El Caminos it wasn't exactly the same since it was half truck, half car. But moving on to the inside now, as you can see, we also have the old school Chevy steering wheel. As you see, it is an automatic on the column, working old school cluster except for the clock. As you can see, 67 also provided the key on the dash before it went to the column, which is leading up to 69. Still having that nice, I want to say, ocean blue interior. As you can see, we have that nice single bench seat, good for 3 people, maybe 4 if you want to go for a nice little cruise. But you also want to enjoy the room as well, having those nice GM lap belts. Also having the window cranks matched up to the blue interior. Having 3 gauges on the bottom to provide accuracy for your ride. You can also see they added a little cigarette charger down there on the bottom. But you still have your 2-knob retro sound radio. Still have those nice tunes playing. Still have a working horn. Still have all that little fun. Even have those 2 dual mirrors on the left and right, which are always so hard to see. But of course, that was the real way of driving back in the day, am I right? Other than that, going underneath the hood, featuring a small block Chevy engine. As you can see, it also is painted black. As you can also tell, it has the headers added. Has Edelbrock air cleaner and valve covers to give it a little more of an old school look. Of course, back in the day, that's what Edelbrock was to show off for. Other than that, it is a fun little ride, very smooth moving ride, including the power steering and the disc brakes, which I can't show you for right now. I want to say disc, but power brakes. But as you can see, I'm off the wheel right now and the vehicle is moving perfectly straight. One thing I forgot to mention too is it also has that nice SS style hood, which was compatible with the Chevelles as for the El Caminos. But as for now though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.